Happy holidays, everybody. In this video, I'm going to go over two different positions that you can play some of the Shona style harmonic progressions. This one's going to be based on Nhemamusasa. It could work on a lot of songs though. So if you were playing Nhemamusasa in the key of C, you could think of the chords as being C, E, A, C, F, A, D, F, A, C, E, G. So you could play that. Both of these examples are going to be on the top two strings. So you could have your C right here, then E, A, C, F, A, D, F, A, C, E, G. So to do that in more of a Shona style rhythm, I'll slow it down. So that's one position that you can play that. And then another lower position is where you would take those highest chords that you're playing there, the F and the E, and you'll move them down to the F and the E right there. So that would be something like this. So C, E, A, C, F, A, D, F, A, C, E, G. So in that same kind of rhythm. So you see how just changing the highest chord, it changes the sound of it. It makes your descending melodies start in a different place. So then once you've worked on those, you can start mixing the two together. And you can do that in a very systematic way to get your practice up. So one example, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do the high variation, but the second time, instead of going to the high F, I'm going to go to the low F. And the second time I go to the high E, I'll go to the low E. So. Sorry, I messed up there. Let's do that again. C, I'll do just the chords. C, E, A, C, F, A, D, F, A, C, E, G. So And you can do that in different points of that whole cycle and start working your way down, more of a Mbira style thing where you're getting descending high lines, and you're going to start feeling the separation of that upper line and the lower line, and being able to get more independence with the high line and the lower line.